If you want to see how I took this cluttered home filled of things and transform it to this peaceful home that is filled of the things that I love, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can transform your space from a cluttered space to a freed space. Start. This was my entryway, guys. I'm gonna share with you guys little tricks and tips to help you brighten your space, make it bigger and livable. This was my entryway space, guys, and this was filled of pillows, chairs. There was no rhyme or reason for it. It was just there just to be. It was not utilized. It was not practical. The chairs cannot be used. They had pillows on them that made people feel uncomfortable when they came over. They didn't feel like they want to mess up the pillows. It was just for show. It was not a place. It was not a livable space, guys. I had all things there that I thought that I loved, and half of these things are no longer in my home. I think I have that candle holder and that Christmas tree. That's it. Everything else is gone, including pillows, the mirrors and everything like that. As you can see, this was a place where I, quote unquote, was supposed to sit there and remove shoes so that we don't wear shoes in the house. I couldn't sit there. My kids couldn't sit there. The walls were filled of so much stuff, which I will get to pretty soon. But this is how the same entryway looks like. Guys, it's breathable. It's practical. You can drop your keys on the table. You can enjoy. You can sit here, remove your shoes. It's actually a place you can pass by. It's a place to walk through. Guys, so one thing I can tell you is remove extra things that are not needed. Just remove it, guys. You will feel like, oh my God, it's looking empty. Yes, in the beginning, it will feel empty. But trust me, it will go well as time passes. Now, let's go into the living room. So this was my living room, guys. As I said, it's the exact same living room, but different setup. Guys, the color of the couch was very dark and the chairs were very dreary. They just felt so heavy. And the placement of furniture, guys, placement of furniture is a must. If you have a small space, you want to open up spaces, not close it in. As you can see, you can barely see the kitchen. The couch is blocking it, and the color is so dark that it darkens the space. The floor is carpeted, so I removed the carpet and I added vinyl planks. I also removed the tiles and I added vinyl planks throughout, which made the space large. Now, this is the exact same space. As you can see, the couch is brighter. The chairs is brighter. It complements that couch. And there's nothing of distractions or, in my opinion, of clutter there. And as you can see, the placement of the chairs and couch, it opens up this space. So little tips for you: brighten, make it bigger, and get rid of things you don't need is what you're going to hear in this video throughout. So I am not ashamed to share this video with you guys. I just want to help somebody out there. If I can help one or two people, that will make my day and will make this video worthwhile. Guys, let's get into the kitchen now. This was supposed to be access for the kitchen, barely passing by. There's a little hall there that you could squeeze in if you're skinny and pass by. But if you're a normal person, you couldn't pass by here because you had to twist your body around. And the kitchen, the tiles, the backsplash on the kitchen and the tiles on the floor, it just made this home outdated. And this was a brand new home built in 2018. So there's no way this home could have been outdated. It's supposed to be new and brand new. But unfortunately, the placement of the chairs and couches made this place so small. Now, this is the exact same space now in 2023. And as you can see, there's no backing of the stools, so every stools enter underneath the table, which you cannot see. It does not bring distraction. In my opinion, that's something I will recommend. If that's something you would like to do, you can have a stool that has backing on the chairs, that's fine, but I prefer something that goes underneath it, which takes your eyes away from adding more clutters on the visual side of it. I also remove the backsplashes and added white backsplashes, which made a clear backing, a clear visual for you to see. And also the floor, it's no longer that square tile that looks like prison tile, and now it's vinyl planks. Even though it's not crazy expensive, it's still beautiful to the eyes. Okay guys, this is the 4th time I'm doing this take. Hopefully I can keep this one because I've been laughing so hard in all 3 takes. So guys, this is from the kitchen, and you are viewing the living room, guys. As you can see how small this home is, but what kind of shocks my mind that I even was able to do this till today was that TV above, was the mirror above the TV, guys. Like, oh my god, my life, I can't even. But basically, as you can see, the walls was packed. It was filled of things, guys. It was full of things. Every wall does not need to have a wall art or a mirror on it. And that's a huge mistake people make. People are like, oh, that wall is so blank, I need to add something. That is not correct. So this is the same space where the TV stand is, and now this is the exact same space where the TV stand is. And look at the difference, guys. I created a fireplace, and that fireplace is smaller than the original TV stand you saw. And the opening of the floor brings you straight to the living room, which makes the living room bigger. With the Akira mirror reflecting on the wall, it's just so pretty, in my opinion. But most of all, less things, which makes it easier for me to clean. So I hope I was able to inspire you in this video. This will be all for the video. Until the next one, if you have any other ideas or things you want me to talk about or videos you want me to do for you, please let me know in the comment below. If you're new here, I would truly appreciate if you stay. And for everyone who keeps coming back every week when I post a video, God bless you. I appreciate you guys. Guys, have a great rest of your day. Just know that less is more, and a clutter-free home is a peaceful home. Bye-bye, guys.